Shanae, and Steve is joining us here today in Dr. Bolton's office.
When I had my kids, you know, they're laying on my back and they're looking down and saying, "Dad, you have a hole in the back of your head." Who, this guy or that guy or Dr. Bolton? And then the light went off. I never heard of Dr. Bolton.
Ooh.
And I looked on the website and I looked at the results.
You know, so many resources on that website. Okay, here's before and then here's after.
No, it
It's
was
before and then after.
It was apples for apples.
Right.
And it was all after one procedure.
Right.
As I started getting thinner, then I started looking for doctors.
My hairline was straight across, completely not natural. My brother, who's younger than me, he was here about a month ago to get the surgery done for the first time.
I saw the straight line on his above his forehead.
So I came in to fix one problem and I got 3 things accomplished.
It was relaxing. It wasn't a stressful environment.
The care is just tremendous. The cleanliness, the facility is just tremendous.
Nobody noticed that I had the hair transplant.
No one in my family knew I had the second surgery.
I would definitely recommend Dr. Bolton to others, as I already have.
But 100% recommend Dr. Bolton to others.
Joining us, John.
Well, thank you. A pleasure to be here.
So how did you narrow it down and decide on Dr. Bolton?
The outcome of it and what they were telling me, so I decided to come to Dr. Bolton's. I would say within the first 3 months, I saw little follicles coming out.
Were you telling them what you did?
No, I did not.
There's no need to tell
No,
anyone.
I didn't tell anyone I had a hair transplant.
Result doesn't lie, guys. I mean,
Right.
look at this gorgeous head of hair. Come on. Thank you so much for joining us
Well,
today.
thank you. It was my pleasure.
We're very excited and happy
Thank you.
for you. Thank you so much, John.
Started losing my hair when I was probably in my early 20s. I realized I don't have a good shapely bald head. I looked at 3 different doctors down here in South Florida and can't compare it to the kind of service and quality you get from here. I think the procedure started around 4 o'clock. I think I was done by like 7:30. I feel actually younger. I feel more vitalized. There's really no words to describe it. Great, awesome. I mean, I strongly recommend it. Stop looking at all these other doctors, all these other procedures, and really it's a one-stop right here.
Shanae here at Dr. Bolton's office, and we have Rolando with us today. Really, that's hard to believe, but you are looking great now, and you're so young.
On this before, way before. If I don't tell you, you won't know.
Never. Has anyone ever said, "Oh, I know that you had something done"?
No.
Never.
Not even my closest friends.
What about
They
when
don't
you get
know.
your hair cut?
No, they don't know.
Wow. He's actually a model now.
Yeah.
Probably going to be an actor. He's great on camera. Thank you so much for joining us today. You're a delight.
Thank you very much.